Starting from 1999 in Kulava to creating the first ever skyscraper in Mumbai and building the legend by Raheja, now they are entering with their luminous and mega project in Navi Mumbai. Welcome to PropWeb, and today we present to you Lunaris by Raheja Universal, situated in Jayanagar. Situated bang on the Mumbai-Pune highway, may it be commercial or residential, this 65-acre plot gives you a fabulous connectivity, being opposite to the Jayanagar railway station and Nehru station also being just 5 to 7 minutes from here. Apart from that, upcoming Kharghar-Turbe tunnel is also 5 to 7 minutes. Navi Mumbai International Airport can also be connected in just 20 to 25 minutes. Apart from that, Vashi Bridge is also just 5 to 7 minutes from here, and renowned schools and colleges like MGM School and Hospital, D.Y. Patil Stadium College, Ryan International School, St. Xavier School, SIS College and School. So you can see how well connected this property is. Spread across a whole land parcel of around 65 acres, this is an integrated township project mindfully put together commercial, retail and residential projects by Raheja Universal, starting from the IT parks like Prime Park, World Trade Center, a 3-acre district park. Apart from that, they also have to offer to you 5-star hotels, floating hotels and Club Illusion. Apart from that, they have successfully launched and delivered a 6-acre land parcel project in the name of Solaris, and now they are coming with their 8-acre land parcel project in the name of Lunaris, which I'll be giving you a brief detail about in this video. Talking about Lunaris in specific, this is a whole land parcel of around 8 acres in which 11 towers are in total. Divided in this 8-acre land parcel, 3 towers are already launched. It would be a G plus 32-story building approximately, in which you get 4 levels of basement parking, and there is a whole track at the podium level that would connect all the 11 towers together. Apart from that, there is an Olympic-sized swimming pool at the podium level also. There are 2 levels of retail stores, ground and podium level retail that you're getting, and a clubhouse that is a G plus 5-story building tower at ground level. Apart from that, there are other amenities like basketball court, badminton court, squash court, cricket turf, etc. that you'll be getting in this project. There are 1.5, 2 and 2.5 BHKs available. So now I'll be taking you to the sample flat. So come, now I'll show you my 2 BHK sample flat for you, and iska carpet area hai 650 square feet. As you can see, very luxurious and luminous. Here is our लिविंग स्पेस, लिविंग एरिया मिल जाता है आपको, और यहाँ है हमारा अटैच डेक जो कि 8x4 का आपको ये स्पेशियस डेक एरिया मिल जाएगा. यहाँ से आप ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन व्यूज एंजॉय करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द हाईलाइट्स कि जयनगर जैसे एरिया में, प्राइम एरिया, वहाँ से भी आप माउंटेन व्यू एंजॉय करने वाले हैं बीइंग इन द सिटी. सो दैट इज़ द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. मूविंग ऑन, यहाँ पर आपको अटैच्ड डाइनिंग स्पेस मिलता है विथ योर किचन. एल शेप्ड किचन है. यहाँ पर आपको ग्रेनाइट भी मिल जाता है and well enough compartment space also given to you. Vitrified tiling throughout the house, and the floor to ceiling height here is 9.7 feet. चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं कॉमन वॉशरूम की तरफ. कॉमन वॉशरूम इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्पेशियस एंड you also get extra storage space or utility area given to you attached with this common washroom. So as you can see, this is a zero wastage flat. So each and every space, जो भी आपको each and every square feet of this house is very well utilized. Moving on, now we get into our common bedroom, kids bedroom, or you can call it any bedroom according to your requirement. यहाँ आपको मिल जाती है full length windows, और यहाँ आपको grill मिल जाएगी for your safety to enjoy the beautiful views, and प्लस वेंटिलेशन भी बहुत अच्छा है ये घर का. मूविंग ऑन नाउ थ्रू द पैसेज. नाउ ये आपको बहुत बड़ा यहाँ पर फॉयर एरिया मिल रहा है फॉर योर अटरमोस्ट प्राइवेसी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ. आप एंटर कर रहे हैं हमारे मास्टर बेडरूम, विच इज अगेन वेरी वेल यूटिलाइज्ड and very well decorated. You can take inspiration. Also comes with full length windows right here, और आपको छज्जा भी मिल जाएगा. इसके बाहर comes with attached washroom again, vitrified tiling, and ऐसे ही आपको branded fittings यहाँ भी मिल जाएगी अपने washroom में. So ये था हमारा 2 BHK sample flat, and यहाँ पर pricing for 1 BHK start हो रही है from 1.12 CR plus taxes. 2 BHK starts from 1.60 CR plus taxes, and 3 BHK or 2.5 BHK starting from 1.90 CR plus taxes. They also have a very flexible payment plan, CLP, and for booking purpose and more information, आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.